To our coverage now of Southeast St. Ann MP Lisa Hanna's decision to leave representational politics. The move has again led to questions of disunity in the People's National Party PNP. In a letter to PNP President Mark Golding yesterday, Ms. Hanna said she will not be offering herself as a candidate for the party in the next general election. Now, the question of party unity was put to the PNP President this morning on TVJ's Smile Jamaica.
I don't think the resignation has anything to do with unity, quite frankly. The resignation has to do with Lisa's own issues and where she wants to go with her life. The unity that we've been building, I think, is real, and I think that we have all committed ourselves to making it stronger.
In the meantime, Ms. Hanna herself has also further commented on the development. Now, in a post on her social media page today, she said, quote, "I am deeply moved by the outpouring of love and support after I announced that I will be leaving representational politics at the end of this term," end quote. She said serving the Jamaican people will always be at the foundation in everything she does. Now, the Member of Parliament also addressed what she would do after leaving politics.
There's lots that I could do, but I would not want to betray my core principle and my core philosophy, which is really serving the people of Jamaica and my country. That is something that is my compass, it's my moral compass, because I want to see our country do better. So I would go into an area that would help us build trade and improve our value-added trade of products and exports. I would find areas that would help our humanitarian efforts, particularly in rural Jamaica, to help people with water, for example. And politics is not the only way that you can serve your countries. There are several other areas. And those opportunities exist.